Guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to code a simple keylogger in Python. So what is a keylogger? A keylogger is nothing but a simple software that can record whatever you type on your keyboard. So in this video we will learn how to code a keylogger in Python. So I'm going to open Sublime Text in which I will be coding the keylogger and save this file as keylogger.py. So now I'll start coding it. So now for this program, you will require a third-party library that is PyInput. So to install PyInput, open your command prompt and type pip install PyInput. Now I already have PyInput installed on my computer. That's why it says requirement already satisfied. So when you run this command, PyInput will install on your computer and then you can start coding this keylogger. So first you need to import the library that we just installed. So from pyinput.keyboard import key and listener, and then you also need to import logging. After this you need to set a variable that is log underscore dir and leave blank. So what this does is this variable contains a current working directory. So right now I have saved this keylogger.py on my desktop. So the current working directory of this program is a desktop. So if we leave this blank, it will automatically have the value of the current working directory. If you want it to have some other value, then you have to type in that directory. So since I'm just going to keep it the same directory, I will leave this blank right now. And now I'll paste one piece of code. It's just a single line. It's too long for me to type, and I'll be telling you what it does. So this is that line of code. Let me tell you what this does. So logging.basic.config. So here I'm giving the file name of the file in which I'm going to save all of these keys that are being pressed on the keyboard. So file name equals logdir plus keylogs.txt. So the current working directory plus the name of the file. So that is how files are that is how the file names are generally given. And the level is logging.debug, and we have the format over here. So what it means is the format in which the messages will be stored in a text file. So it's like this. First the time will be given, the time at which the keys were pressed, and then the key itself. So the time and then the key, and the latest message will be at the bottom. Alright, so after this what we have to do is we will define a function which stores these keys. So df store keys, and it will have a parameter that is key, and logging dot info key. So this function will store the keys, but we need this function to execute when some key is being pressed on this keyboard, right? So this function will get executed when some key is being pressed on the keyboard. So if we want to know when a key is being pressed on a keyboard, we will need a listener. So with listener on press equals store keys, and as listener not join. So what this does is when the keyboard is pressed, when any key is pressed on the keyboard, the store keys function will get executed, and when it gets executed it will save the keys into this text file that is keylogs.txt. So the entire code is done. You just need to save it right now. So I saved it, and let me just create a new folder for this keylogger and drag this, and let me run this keylogger file. So as you can see, the keylogs.txt file has already been created. Now I will just open a new text document and type I am awesome. That's it. Now open your folder and go to the keylogs.txt file, and you will be able to see this. You'll be able to see if you have pressed any other special key like enter or shift or space or backspace, and you'll also be able to see the exact text that I have typed. So I am awesome. So whatever you have typed on the keyboard has been recorded by this keylogger, and that is what a keylogger does. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions regarding to this keylogger video, please put them down in the comment section. And if you want to see more of my content, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.